The ABS warning light on your dashboard indicates a problem within your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. This critical safety system prevents wheel lockup during emergency braking situations. Modern ABS systems are integrated with electronic stability control and advanced driver assistance systems, making them more complex than older standalone systems. Based on 2025 data, there are 5 primary causes for ABS warning lights. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 45% of cases, making them the most common culprit. Wheel speed sensors work with reluctor rings to monitor individual wheel rotation. When these sensors fail, the ABS system cannot detect wheel lockup conditions. The diagnostic process begins with visual inspection. First, check your brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. Low fluid is a common cause of ABS warning lights. Next, check the ABS fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse will disable the entire ABS system and trigger the warning light. For accurate diagnosis, you need an ABS-capable OBD2 scanner. Generic scanners cannot read ABS diagnostic trouble codes. The scanner will retrieve specific error codes pointing to faulty components. Common diagnostic trouble codes include C0200 series for wheel speed sensor malfunctions, C265 for low brake fluid, and C1200 series for ABS control module issues. These codes guide you to the specific problem area. After diagnosing and fixing the underlying ABS issue, you need to reset the warning light. There are 3 main methods to accomplish this reset. Method 1 is using a diagnostic scanner, which is the most reliable approach. You'll need an OBD2 scanner that's capable of reading ABS codes, not just a basic generic scanner. Method 2 is a manual reset by disconnecting the battery. This works in limited cases and involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for at least 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. Method 3 involves manufacturer-specific procedures. Some vehicles require special key cycling sequences, steering wheel position relearns, or other unique reset procedures specific to that make and model. After performing any reset method, you must take the vehicle for a test drive to verify the repair. Drive at various speeds and test the brakes gently to ensure the ABS light stays off and the system functions properly. Remember, if the ABS light returns after reset, the underlying problem wasn't properly fixed. Always address the root cause first, then perform the reset. When in doubt, consult a professional technician or your vehicle's service manual for the correct procedure.